You know we have some cool stuff that we do here at Resort Life. We got something new to share. Check this out. This is a 2026 Epic with new 16-inch mods. Look at these wheels, which is so cool. But even better, the big announcement for us is the new partnership with El Tigre Custom Seats. These are the coolest custom seats you've ever seen. And the nice thing is, folding armrests. If you want to get in and out nice and easy, bam, look at that. Just so pretty. And guess what? We got like 60 colors to choose from. We can dial these things in like no other. I'm going to show you another one here in a second. This one is even cooler, so you can take a peek at what we're doing today. So check these out. This is another way we can do these. These are just super sharp designs, and we got so many different choices and colors. So if you want to check one out for yourself and have some custom seats made, El Tigre is the new choice at RLC. Come out and see us.